All right, the Anaconda is a hard one. We're in the very first hard exercises, but the thing with the Anaconda is that it's just basically a bunch of loops. Now it's a little bit difficult because it's around one cone each, so you might have to go wider on some of these, but it's a pretty easy path to follow. So we're gonna go around these first cones, come in. It's all around one cone at a time. So just think of that, one cone at a time, a bunch of loops. So we're gonna go around this one. I'm gonna take a little bit wide around this one. See, if you do that, you got to counterweight to the left a little bit more. Around this one. And then it's all the way around. So if you notice, I've been talking about it during these drills, is that if you put your foot down, it's because the weight is falling down towards that foot. That's why you put your foot down. So what do you have to do? You have to put more weight on the outside so you don't put your foot down. So let's go ahead and do that this time. A little bit more body shift of that weight. Okay, so you can either put half a butt cheek to the side where on the outside, or you can put weight on that peg on the outside. So let's go and do that. So around this one, around this one, see how I'm doing a little bit more weight? Around this one, looking where I want to go a little bit more weight like this. So a little bit more weight like this, and we're gonna go ahead and exit all the way out. You don't get points taken away if you put your foot down. The only thing is if you don't do the design or you hit a cone, you have to restart that run, or the run doesn't count. All right, guys, we're gonna jump into the butterfly next.